Thinking about tenant retention? You should be. Finding and placing a good tenant is an important first step in the rental process. But now that you have a renter in your home, you have to focus on how to keep them. Retaining tenants earn you more money. They reduce your vacancy and turnover costs. Here's how to keep your best tenants. Be responsive, be available, be accessible. When tenants feel like you're open about your expectations, willing to talk with them about their concerns, and committed to establishing a respectful and professional relationship, they'll have a better rental experience. This leads to lease renewals. Are you making things convenient for your tenants? They appreciate things like online rental payments. They want to request maintenance in writing. They also want to live with their pets. You'll do a better job of keeping tenants when you offer a pet-friendly property and you don't require a written check in the mail when it's time to pay rent. Don't lose good tenants by dropping the ball on maintenance. Respond to their repair requests right away, even if it's not necessarily an emergency. This is not only good for keeping your tenants, it's also good for your investment, protecting your property from deferred maintenance and deterioration. You'll probably raise your rent at renewal time. You should raise your rent. Keep it reasonable, and don't be shocking in your increase. Tenants know what they'd pay elsewhere. Follow the market and show your tenants you appreciate them. Let's keep your tenants in place. Contact our team at RE/MAX 200.